All right, so that was kind of like a little taste of what we're doing. So we already got all those tacks set in place. So what I'm doing is just working off the tacks. So when you zap, kind of start on the very edge of one of our welds that we've already done, and then you kind of just wick the weld onto that. Since that,
The next one, okay.
yeah, since that weld is actually a little bit stronger, thicker than these thin edges, it'll kind of get the weld started, and you can just push the puddle over, and then we'll just keep growing each of these little spots as we jump around. But that's probably the biggest thing, is to make sure you start right on the weld, on the edge of the weld, and then once you see a puddle start, just move it a tiny bit and let off the trigger. It's real quick. Zap, zap. So you probably heard how quick I'm barely on the trigger. We have it set so that it's really nice and hot, and you're on the trigger only for a fraction of a second. So.
All right.